What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently, we're sitting at 21,591. We're sitting at market cap of 408 billion. 24-hour volume 16.91 billion. Brand new Airbnb. Well, new to me. If you want to check it out, follow me on Instagram at Jax_IGC. As I did a little tour of this Airbnb. It's quite nice actually here in Johannesburg. So we're going to jump into the charts here. If you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto. Free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So here's Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame. Now we still may be going through a corrective pattern because wave threes are very impulsive, and as you can see here, this isn't really that impulsive. Unless we see a large breakout, we do have that large inverse head and shoulders. But what we may be looking at here is a bit of exaggerated ABC correction where the B wave can technically break above. Did the lights just go out? Oh. Hold on, the generator is going to kick in here. Just give it a second. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Came back on, generator kicked in. They have something here in Johannesburg. It's called load shedding, where power goes out in areas for like an hour or 2 hours. But luckily, the places I've been staying have generators, which is nice. So we just have to wait for the Wi-Fi to kick back in. But we can see the screen here. So as I was saying, we may be looking at an exaggerated ABC where the B can come all the way up to the wave one high or possibly break above it before seeing a C wave. We have a little bit of a bearish divergence. As you can see right here, we're creating higher highs while creating lower highs on the RSI. Can I use my trend line? Yeah. No, because there's no internet connection. Okay, let me quickly connect. There's no network yet. Oh man, bother. So we're creating higher highs on the chart, slightly lower highs on the RSI. So if we do see some pullback here, this is what I'm estimating to happen. We've had our inverse head and shoulders, right? And we've broken out left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We broke out of it. But what we may be looking to do here is come back for a back test. I can't. Okay, guys, I'm just going to wait for the internet to come back. And then, okay, it looks like it's back here. Let me quickly connect. Sorry about all of this. Here we go. Okay, we're back. Everything is working once again. So what we may be looking at here is a retest where we come back down to retest this inverse head and shoulders and possibly retest this trend line of support at about 20K before potentially pushing back higher to the upside. And then put in an ABC correction. I could bring you down to 19.5, 20K before seeing continuation to the upside. The only way to invalidate that is to break this low here at about 17.7K. I don't think that's a likely scenario. We've been watching the daily chart here. We talked about this retest candle of 20K. We had a bullish engulfing candle followed by 2 daily green candles, which in my opinion is a strong sign for the bulls that we could potentially see that nice push back to the upside. We've broken out of this large reversal pattern. So what we may be looking at here is that retest before seeing continuation to the upside. Or the other scenario is that we just consolidate here and then boom, we just start to break out. We break out of this inverse head and shoulders and head up to 26K, which also lines up with our wave 3 target coming in about 26.5. In my opinion, it's looking strong on the daily. We backtested 20K, bullish engulfing candle, and we're just seeing a little bit of consolidation before a potential breakout to the upside. We're creating lower lows. Let's see here if we have a bullish divergence. No, not quite on the daily here, but we have been talking about a nice push to take you back up to about 26 to 28K. I still think that's a likely scenario before coming back down to retest these lows, quite possibly breaking this low here and coming down to that 10 to 13K price target, which lines up with a very, very strong demand zone for BTC, a strong level of support. So in the short term, if we do pull back, look for a potential bounce off about 20.5, 20K to retest this inverse head and shoulders before seeing that continuation to the upside. Yeah, we're creating a little bit of a higher high here on the 4 hour as well, or an equal high while creating a lower high in the RSI. Can be an early sign, not always, that the bulls are running out of strength here. You can see it right here on the daily, or sorry, on the 1 hour as well. So if we do see that pullback, watch in between about 19.6 and about 20.5 for a potential bounce, or what we'll see here is just a little bit of consolidation before breaking out to the upside, and then our ABC correction would have already been complete here, and this was some sort of wave 1 wave 2, and then wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Sorry, that's really ugly, to take you up to that wave 3 target here for BTC. I'm actually going to move these out so they line up more with the candlesticks here. Yeah, so over the next few days, if we do pull back, or over the next day, just watch for a bounce off about 19.5 to about 20.5K. If we lose that level of support, your next strong level of support about 17.7, I don't think it's likely we come all the way back down to retest those lows. As I was saying, we have a beautiful bullish engulfing candle here on the daily time frame. We continue to hold 20K, seeing a nice bounce off that level. And a lot of the alts have started to break out. Sand, Matic, Atom, they've had breakouts already. ETH had a nice little pump. ApeCoin is breaking out right now. We're seeing a nice little push for ADA. So that could be an early signal that Bitcoin is going to follow suit. I think that's basically it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord making juicy profits on our ADA trade here, as well as I gave a signal for Gala Games, and the members have been making some juicy profits off that Gala signal. All of that is coming in at the $10 membership. We also have buy and take profit zones if you want a dollar cost average into your positions, and over 1,900 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon link if you want to trade with me. Sign up to Bybit, $4,100 in bonuses, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.